Watch you this one time. I watch you. We got it on camera.
What is felony?
Over 750.
How much was it, brother?
In the 900s.
In the hundreds?
900s.
900? Really?
Yeah, no one can throw it overboard.
I thought that was the $300.
On June 12, 2025, a loss prevention officer at a Home Depot in West Palm Beach, Florida, spent 2 hours watching one man build a theft scheme piece by piece and documented all of it. The subject emptied a medicine cabinet box, stuffed it with a power tool box, cutters, and a Milwaukee flashlight, resealed it with tape, and paid only for the mirror's price tag at checkout. $900 in concealed merchandise walked out the front door.
Come here, stop.
Watch you this one time. I watch you. We got it on camera.
All right? You cooperate? 100%.
Okay.
100%. Where do I go?
Back this way.
All right.
Home Depot won this one. Can you open up 65 code 4?
At least you know one thing. I'm definitely not going to be running my side. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Never know.
Have you seen somebody sit my side, really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's on America's Funniest Home
Go in
Video.
here.
Oh, do you want me to go with you?
Yep.
Oh, I thought you said stay right here.
Oh, just that.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say there.
Yeah. I thought it was going to be under the cops. America's Funniest Home Video type deal, you know what I mean?
There's some big people that run.
Are they best, though?
Yeah, some are.
Dude, I'll give it.
Deceiving.
Really?
Very deceiving. You're gonna sit in that chair.
This one? Sorry about that.
You have your ID on you?
It's an old one.
Like a photo and your name and everything?
Yeah, it has my name on it. Yep, right here.
There you go. When's the last time you got arrested?
A month and a half ago.
For what?
It was nothing related to this. It was driving with license suspended.
Okay, that's why you have an old one?
Yeah.
Because you're not supposed to be driving? Yeah, that's it.
No, you know what? All it is because of I didn't pay a fine.
Yeah,
That's
they'll suspend your license for any of that.
Well, I found out from being pulled over that it was because of that. I'm really shocked that people actually give you guys a hard time with that. That's mind blowing, truthfully.
Yeah, people run all the time for even a tape measure. They steal a tape measure and they want to run through the parking lot.
I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's just, listen, we're all human. People make mistakes. But I mean, to run, to me, is I don't know.
How many times have you been arrested for retail theft before?
I think twice.
Okay. How many times were you convicted of them?
I don't think any.
Okay. Was it at Home Depot's or was it at other stores?
One was at a Home Depot.
Okay.
But the Home Depot one got thrown out.
Okay.
Because, long story short, my boss, he needed a expansion tank and a garage door opener gate opener, and he needed 2 sets of the water tanks, and he needed 2 of the garage gate openers with 4 arms. In my truck, I can't get all of those in one shot. Okay, so I was going the night before, purchasing it, leaving his credit card on his table. He was calling it in.
You don't have to explain it.
No, I'm just telling you.
Yeah.
I'm just giving you. That's why, but it was thrown out. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Are you on probation for anything?
No.
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 Okay.
I'm not on probation. No.
Any warrants?
Negative.
Okay.
No. Listen, I'm here now, so I'm telling.
Yeah.
I know people lied to you too before, so you're gonna see. I'm just. It's
What do you do for work?
I work on the water mains.
Where at?
Business out of Waxahachie, my boss. But it's just been, hours have been cut drastically.
Home Depot, you still on?
10-4.
Alright, suspended license to a James Downs. He's clear personal move. Nothing got no links.
Copy, thank you.
Go ahead.
I mean, but like you said,
No,
people.
you have to check.
Yeah.
I'm just honestly
People,
having small talk with you. I hope you don't mind. Wait, if you want me to be quiet, I will. I'm just trying to show you I'm not.
It doesn't matter to me. Either way.
Yeah,
I mean, but like, you know, people say, oh no, I don't have warrants, and they have like 5 warrants, yeah.
You want to know
Never
what's
know.
ironic? I live off of the Cops show. The show Cops?
Yeah.
I live watching off that.
Yeah.
So I see what you guys have and girls have to go through with people being like, yeah. Oh, you know, and then all of a sudden it's like somebody's like huge wanted big time. Like,
Yep.
I saw one, they pulled a guy over, he was the head of some gang. I don't know what, one of the big gangs. But he was like one of the head guys. Just happened to pull him over. You know what I mean? It's like
Yep.
out of nowhere.
Usually how traffic stops go.
Yeah.
You really don't know who you're pulling over.
I hope he's just lenient. I pray. Just gives me the good old trespass, I guess. Would that what it would be?
Yeah, I mean, it's up to the business what they want to do.
I got you.
Either a trespass or they'll prosecute for what you took.
I got you.
If it is just a trespass, you can't come back here for a year.
Okay.
All right. If they want to prosecute, obviously depending on the money, I can either give you, if it's low enough, you'll get a notice to appear. You'll get a court date.
Okay.
Okay. And then you're also going to be trespassed, like simultaneously.
It's both.
Yeah.
And then I have an obligation to
go show up in court,
Okay.
or if the value is high enough where it's a felony, then you're taking the ride to county.
Okay.
Okay.
What is felony?
Over 750. I have no idea what was in that box, so.
Some knives. That's for here, right?
Yep. Home Depot 1, West Palm.
Home Depot 1.
Can you start another unit here all about 10:15?
Am I going in?
Yep.
Oh no.
Yep. Stand up for me.
Yeah. How much was it?
I don't know, but stand up. Yep.
Okay. So, oh my God.
Can you bring your arms close enough for one set of cuffs? No? Okay, we'll wait till we get somebody else here with the
Can I
next
ask
set.
you- can I just ask questions now? Real
Give me
quick?
1 second. Just put your hands on top of your head. I'm just gonna search you.
All right, go ahead.
Nothing on you. Just gonna stick your foot in your right.
Nah. Yeah. What's that?
Well, it's not play stupid.
Shouldn't have anything. Oh,
Okay. Well, you do. So.
I do.
You don't have any gloves, do you?
Yeah. I'm sorry. My hands
Yeah,
are.
keep your hands right there.
Yeah, I got you.
My bad, we just came off.
Or anything. You have a paper towel.
Would you like me to empty for you?
Yeah, go ahead. You can take it out. Just put it on the seat for me.
Where is it? You don't mind?
Yep, leave that right there.
I'm sorry. I know it's a long. Yeah, you're not really. I literally found that. Hands up still? Or
No, you're good right now.
how much was it, brother?
In the 900s.
In the hundreds?
900s.
900? Really?
I had no walking through it overboard.
I thought that was the $300.
$600.
Stay open.
Literally, I thought that was $300.
Stick on there.
Yeah, but I thought that's where it said 300 by there.
Take a step back from me.
I apologize.
Take a step back.
Yeah, it doesn't justify it. Okay, you write down a phone number?
Yeah, just have a seat for right now.
Yeah.
We're gonna get to everything. Have a seat.
Yeah.
I just can't bring you out to my car because there's a dog in my car.
Oh,
So
you got a dog too?
yeah,
Gotcha.
so I can't. I need someone else to come here. Once they come here, you've been cooperative this whole time.
Yeah, I'm. Listen, like I said, I apologize. Stupid doesn't make up for anything that I've done, but I apologize. You know what I mean? I really thought I was good. I thought it was like 400 or 500. Yep.
When you add up all the other stores that you've gone to, it's quite a bit.
Water?
The other ones?
Yeah, I'll take one.
The last one, it got thrown out because of the seats I had and stuff.
Yeah, a lot of times you did this other stores that you've seen.
Oh, thank you very much. That was very nice. You seriously.
You pay for it.
Thank you, bud.
There's your trash can up.
Number 27, channel.
You have the receipt for all that stuff?
Yeah, it's in the car.
Alright, cool.
Is it possible I could put a text out to a family member to let them know? I'm sitting right here with you.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you very much. They're so ahead of me. Oh my God. That's West Palm Beach? Mm-hmm. Okay, so where would I be?
You're going to be going to the Palm Beach County Jail on Gun Club.
So I'm going to Gun Club.
Yep.
Okay.
And then they'll determine your bond there.
Okay, I will get a bond, you think?
I have no idea. I don't know.
Probably, right? I don't have any felonies or anything like that.
More than likely, probably. What's today, Thursday? I mean, you'll probably have to see a judge in the morning, and then they'll give you a bond.
I'll have to see the judge?
Yeah, because it's a felony.
Really?
Yeah. I'm not sure if because it's retail theft. I'm not sure if they'll give you one tonight or not. Don't be texting anybody to come up here and show up here or do any of that. That's all I'm saying.
I promise you it's
Okay.
only for getting me asking for a bond.
Okay.
I swear on everything.
No.
To get me. Trust me. I know you've been through a ton of crazy stuff, but
No.
trust me. I'm messaging two people to please look into it. They yell at me when I get home, alright? But I yell at me when I get home, but just listen. Did a stupid thing. I'm at Home Depot, okay? I'm going to getting arrested. Please bond me out from the gun club. I did something stupid, so it's no justification for what I did.
I believe her already admitted.
Yeah.
Let me see what's out watching.
I'm sure it was for a little bit.
Shannon?
657.
Yeah, if you can pick me up if I do get that out tonight. Okay. I'm sorry and yell at me later. Alright? Alright, thank you. Right now.
Hey.
Is it possible I can write their numbers on my hand?
We'll give you a piece of paper for it. For now, just let me see.
Yeah. No
Just gonna put it back. Yep.
Thank you for understanding.
Yep. You guys have
Can I just chunk this real
two
fast?
cups.
I'm being honest with you, it might be more.
Good. Let's hurry up.
No, I'm saying 2 cups might be really, really tight. Alright, I'm just giving you a heads up.
We'll see. Turn it.
Yeah, sure, absolutely.
Turn your hands inward like you're praying.
Okay. Is that good? Like that?
Closer? We might need a third one.
Yeah, maybe 4.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie to you, the time with the Home Depot where it got let go, they had 4 cents.
Give you mine. Need a bulge.
Oh yeah, is Rusty has mine?
Yeah, because they got wet.
It's gonna be very uncomfortable.
Hold on a second. I'm gonna lock these on your wrists so they don't tighten up.
Thank you. Alright, you want me to go? Sure. Absolutely. Yeah, no problem.
I'll grab this property in a second.
Thank you.
Yeah, on the passenger side of the
Yeah, sure.
Can you just do a more thorough check of him, like, just to make sure? He had a pipe on him.
Just before I get to go, before I go in, do I get to write down the numbers or after?
Yeah, well, what numbers do you need?
I just need, there's 2 numbers. Oh, I apologize. What do you want me to do? Stand this way, sir? Yeah, no problem. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to.
Here, you want to throw this in his pocket. That way he has the numbers.
Thank you. Thank you, officer.
Yep.
Florida Statute 812.014 defines grand theft in the third degree as theft of property valued at $750 or more. That number is a hard legal line, not a range, not a guideline. Cross it, and the charge is a felony. The subject told the officer he thought the total was around $300, then $400, maybe $5. It doesn't matter. Florida law assesses intent and value independently. A defendant's estimate of what he stole carries zero legal weight in reducing the charge. Florida Statute 812.015 addresses price tag switching as its own criminal method, not just a factor at sentencing. Removing a tag from one item and placing it on another with intent to defraud is retail theft under the statute, full stop, regardless of what else was taken. The same statute, subsection 3, grants merchants and their agents the authority to detain a person on or near the premises for a reasonable time and in a reasonable manner when there are reasonable grounds to believe a retail theft has occurred. 2 hours of documented surveillance is far beyond the minimum threshold. The subject never invoked his Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. He disclosed 2 prior theft arrests, a suspended license, and a prior Home Depot incident, all voluntarily, all without being pressed. Those statements are admissible. No Miranda issue exists here because Miranda warnings are required at custodial interrogation, not during a general conversation a subject chooses to participate in. During the search, officers found a drug pipe on the subject. That find is governed by the Supreme Court's ruling in Chimel v. California, decided in 1969. When an arrest is lawful, officers may search the person fully, and anything discovered, no matter how unrelated to the original charge, becomes an additional count. Florida Statute 893.147 makes possession of drug paraphernalia a first-degree misdemeanor, carrying up to 1 year in jail and a $1,000 fine. The subject said he didn't think he had anything on him. That's not a defense. Loss Prevention Officer Christopher Kristoff receives an A. He identified the subject from prior attempts and district-wide advisories before observation even started. His surveillance was methodical. His sworn statement was precise and chronological, and his detention authority under Florida Statute 812.015 was fully supported by the evidentiary record he built. The arresting officer receives an A-. He communicated the felony threshold accurately, conducted a lawful search incident to arrest, accommodated the subject's physical size during cuffing, and declined to speculate about bond, which is the legally correct answer when you genuinely don't know. The minor deduction is for tone. The extended casual conversation during the waiting period drifted from the measured demeanor a felony arrest calls for. The subject receives a C+. His cooperation after the stop was real, and it matters. He didn't run, didn't resist, disclosed his history without being pushed, and stayed composed. That's the right behavior. But it doesn't offset a 2-hour premeditated scheme, a prior theft record, and drug paraphernalia found on his person at the time of arrest. The court agreed. He was sentenced to 48 days in jail, 1 year of probation, 50 hours of community service, and a mandatory theft abatement course. Cooperation during arrest is a floor, the minimum expected standard. It is not a mitigating factor that can undo deliberate criminal conduct. The first lesson from this case: a sophisticated scheme creates more evidence against you, not less. Price tag switching and merchandise stuffing are documented retail loss prevention tactics. Trained officers know the pattern. 2 hours of surveillance footage is 2 hours of evidence. The second, a dismissed case, is not a clean record. Law enforcement can see prior arrests even when charges didn't stick. That history shapes how officers investigate, how prosecutors frame charges, and how judges weigh sentences. The third, there is no safe pocket during a lawful arrest. The moment handcuffs go on, the search is authorized completely legally and without limitation to the original offense. Anything found becomes a new charge. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.